Ever heard traders talking about LEAPS and wondered why they're so popular? LEAPS, which stands for Long-Term Equity Anticipation Securities, are a type of long-term options contract that lets you control a stock for months or even years without buying the shares outright. In this video, we'll break down why LEAPS are a powerful tool for traders and investors, and how you can use them to leverage your portfolio. LEAPS are just like regular options, but with longer expiration dates, usually 1 to 3 years out. They come in calls and puts, giving you the right but not the obligation to buy or sell the underlying stock at a set price before expiration. Think of LEAPS as a way to lock in a stock price for the long term without tying up the capital required to buy hundreds of shares. 1. Leverage without full capital. Meauri Pafro Ain Pull. You can control hundreds of shares for a fraction of the cost of buying the stock outright. 2. Reduce time pressure. Unlike short-term options, LEAPS give you more time for your thesis to play out, which reduces stress from short-term market swings. 3. Hedging opportunities. Investors use LEAPS to protect portfolios against potential downside while maintaining upside exposure. 4. Flexibility. You can roll LEAPS forward if your position is working, giving you more control over your trades. 5. Strategic income. Selling LEAPS or covered calls against your LEAPS can generate additional income while holding long-term exposure. LEAPS are ideal for long-term investors looking for leveraged exposure to growth stocks, traders wanting more time for their strategies to work, portfolio managers who want to hedge risk or enhance return. Because of their long-term nature, LEAPS allow you to think strategically rather than reacting to day-to-day market noise. So, if you're looking for a powerful tool to grow your portfolio with leverage and flexibility, LEAPS might be the perfect fit. Drop a comment below. Have you ever traded LEAPS? What's your favorite strategy? And if you want daily AI-powered trade setups and insights, sign up for our free newsletter at ITeachStocks.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more trading strategies that actually work.